Hey everyone, Rick here, the Static Nomadic, day 17. Just got off the phone with the shop in Colorado Springs, and they've got the parts on order. They're ordering everything in except for a head that we should need, and if we don't need it all, they have no problem, returning this stuff. And they said that's not a big deal. They just want to have the parts on hand, so we can make this maybe a 1.5 day deal if that's the way it works out. But anyway, they want to make sure they get all the parts in and the parts are correct. And then the initial plan is I leave out of here Sunday and we do this work next Monday. And hopefully get this thing fixed up. I like the way they're handling this, and they said if there was a problem on the parts, they'd give me a shout, and then we would just reschedule a day. So, like I said, I know this is going to be a little more expensive way to go, but I think it's probably a better way to go. Just have that feeling. Not that I have anything against the other guy here in Alamosa, but I don't want to be sitting in a parking lot for a week trying to get parts. Anyway, that's about it for now. I don't know what we're doing today. Really need to get those lights on his coach, I know that much. I installed his door handle the other day, but we gotta knock out these lights. We got those from Napa a couple of days ago, and we need to get those installed so that he can get to the body shop and get his estimates, and then at some point get it repaired. Alright, we're gonna try and get Paul's door to shut correctly. It hasn't shut correctly since his little mishap in the construction zone. It looks like it's twisted this framework off just slightly, and it's been hitting that little piece right there on the lower catch. Alright, so after working on this for a little while, we discovered this was actually, I guess from the impact, a little loose, and it pulled this further out. And we're also noticing the same thing on this other one, on his top latch. So after we knocked that in, we just had to tighten down that Allen bolt. It's right there. And that solved this problem. Wild looking night here. We've got thunderstorms coming. Skies are rumbling big time. Anyway, people, hope you have a great night, a great dinner, and a good movie, or good company. Peace out.
Okay.